What's up guys, and welcome to another speed test comparison between the Infinix S5 versus the Oppo Reno 2F. As the Infinix S5 is a new mid-range smartphone which comes in two variants, but this model has a 6GB of RAM and a Helio P22 chipset, while the Reno 2F has 8GB of RAM and a chipset of Helio P70. So in this video we are going to do quick speed test comparison between both of the smartphones, and we are gonna find out that which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones. So let's start the speed test without wasting any time. So as always, the first test will be a boot up test, and let's go. Let's see who will be the winner of this race. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. As logos are moving around on both of the smartphones, so let's see who would be the winner of first test. And well, the boot up test won by the Oppo Reno 2F, and the Infinix was just right behind with a bit difference. The Reno 2F have got AMOLED display, while the Infinix S5 comes in IPS LCD. So as you guys can see, everything is completely closed up, and we are gonna starting from some basic stuff. The first one, we have got phone dialer. Well, it was pretty much faster on the Reno 2F. Settings, slightly faster on the Reno 2F once again. Now moving on towards some third-party applications, and the first one we have got Subway Surfers, and let's see what are it loading. Well, pretty much faster on the Reno 2F once again. Temple Run 2. Both are it loading, and well, about 3 seconds faster on the Reno 2F once again. Pubg Mobile. Well, again, pretty much quicker on the Reno 2F. Quite disappointing from the Infinix S5. Now moving on, color switch. None of the tests won by the Infinix S5. Again, faster on the Reno 2F. Fruit Ninja. Well, it was exactly at the same time on both of the smartphones. Sedge. Exactly at the same time once again. Plant vs Zombies. Wow, it was pretty much faster on the Infinix S5. The first test won by the Infinix S5. Let's see what's going to happen next. Hill Climb 2. Well, pretty much quicker on the Reno 2F once again here. Pin Out. Faster on the Oppo Reno 2F. Smash Hit. Again quicker on the Reno 2F here. So guys, it was a speed test comparison between the Infinix S5 versus the Oppo Reno 2F, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both smartphones, the Oppo Reno 2F is pretty much faster as compared to the Infinix S5. Though the Infinix S5 have got 6GB of RAM, but still the performance of the S5 is very poor as compared to the Reno 2F. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones, especially for gaming purpose and for your daily use, I think you should definitely buy the Oppo Reno 2F. Thank you guys for watching our videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.